I'm saved by name. Had a friend called Generous Bill B, who's a saint by name. His only vice is that he died while I did a little dance. From dust to dust, the preacher sighed, I did a little cry. I'm a man by name, last year at law. It's not fair to blame me for not believing what I saw. My only vice is that I danced in the shiny white shirt. You should have known I'd be the last to be there first, right? There's rain and tombstone and damage done. How beautiful the naked skin, how beautiful it glows. And this is where the bleeding stops, and this is what it shows. It just turns into a scar, just the same. But anyway, this is where the saint will park his foot upon your toes. I'm a drunk by name, had a friend called Deadly Bill B, but he stepped away. He said, pour me out some whiskey, man, there's something you should know. The person that he'd take me for was buried long ago, right? It's rain and tombstone and damage done. How beautiful makes up, how beautiful the prose. But this is where the story ends, and this is what it shows. It just turns into an alibi for some. But anyways, and this is where the saint will park his foot upon your toe.